In this fast-paced life, very often it's even impossible to stand still and catch a breath. Forget about actually thinking, worrying about something which actually binds everything together. We're talking about the delicate ecological balance. And that is when the fight of green warriors like A.V. Reddy becomes that much important. We're going to cut across at this point of time to Hyderabad and highlight the crusade of A.V. Reddy, who is working today to save the only green lung of the city of Hyderabad, the high-tech city area of this city. Today, Mr. Reddy is one of the few people who is standing in between the green cover and people who want to commercialize that entire area.
I am A.V. Reddy, Secretary of Botanical Garden Walkers Association. We are standing in the middle of Kottaguda Reserve Forest. This Kottaguda Reserve Forest, in the name of ecotourism, they are converting it into a commercial mega venture. They are building many multiplex theatres, convention centers, bars and restaurants, card rooms, massage parlors. All this doesn't come under the ecotourism. Ecotourism means without disturbing ecology, they have to do some tourism without leaving any footprint. Just they have to peep into it and come out. But here it is going just opposite to that. Here they are destroying the grown-up trees. Already 5,235 trees have been felled. In 2010, we have raised our objections. Based on our objections, Forest Department has stopped the work in this project area. Again, they have constituted a committee. June 2011, they said all these activities will not be permitted in the forest land. Now, in the February 2013, they said these activities will be permitted subject to condition that if they get the environmental clearance certificate and etc. etc. This is only the lung space available in the IT and financial district area. This is where elderly people will relax and children will come and play, and people will come for a morning walk and evening walk. So we are trying our level best to protest and protect this forest from ecotourism project. We are not against any ecotourism project. Here we are opposing the commercialization of the forest area in the name of ecotourism. They are disturbing ecology in the name of ecotourism, and they want to construct multiplex theatres. They want to show wildlife and nature films by destructing all the nature. So we are against this.